Want to make your web page interactive and colorful? Let's learn how to add links and images. Links let users navigate between pages, while images make web pages visually appealing. Links or hyperlinks in HTML allow users to click and go to another web page. Think of links as magic doors that take you somewhere else. Now, let's see how to use the A tag. Head over to the Code Funhouse code editor, type the basic HTML structure, and type the example code open angular bracket ahref equals https://www.google.com. Close angular bracket. Visit Google. Close angular bracket / a close angular bracket. The href attribute is the URL you want to link to. The text between the tags is what users will click on. And hey, did you know? Links can also lead to different sections of the same page. Images make a web page more interesting. They help tell your story visually. So, how do we use the img tag? Head back to the Code Funhouse code editor and type open angular bracket img src equals open quote https://codefun.com/img/logo/logo svg close quote /closing angular brackets. The src attribute is the source URL of the image, and the alt attribute is a description of the image for accessibility. This is how an image appears on a web page. Segment 3. Combining links and images. Creating interactive images is really fun and useful. You can make an image clickable by wrapping it in an anchor tag. Here's an example. Code. Open angular brackets href equals https://www.codefunhouse.com close angular brackets. So, what happens here is that the image becomes clickable, just like a link. When someone clicks on the image, they'll be taken to the URL specified in the anchor tag. It's a really cool way to make your web pages more interactive. Segment 4. Fun Challenge. Now it's your turn to get creative. We have an interactive activity for you. Can you create your own web page with at least one link and one image? Here's a fun challenge idea. Can you make a web page about your favorite place, including a link to a related site and an image? Share it with your friends. Let's see what you come up with. In conclusion, let's recap what we've learned today. We've covered how to add links using the anchor tag and how to add images using the image tag. Plus, we learned how to create interactive images by combining these tags. Now, we have a little call to action for you. We invite you to comment on your creations and subscribe for more fun coding adventures. See you next time.